Definitions 96 Physical characteristics are not assignment results. 97 Bias. A preference or inclination that precludes an appraiser's impartiality, independence, or objectivity in an assignment. 98 Business enterprise. An entity pursuing an economic activity. 99 Business equity. The interests, benefits, and rights inherent in the ownership of a business enterprise or a part 100 thereof in any form, including, but not necessarily limited to, capital stock, partnership interests, cooperatives. Sol 101 Proprietorships, options, and warrants. 102 Client. The party or parties who engage, by employment or contract, an appraiser in a specific assignment. 103 Comment. The client may be an individual, group, or entity, and may engage and communicate with the appraiser directly or through an agent. 104-105 Confidential information. Information that is either 106. Identified by the client as confidential when providing it to an appraiser and that is not available from any 107 other source. Or 108. Classified as confidential or private by applicable law or regulation. 109 Cost. The amount required to create, produce, or obtain a property. 110 Comment. Cost is either a fact or an estimate of fact. 111 Credible. Worthy of belief. Comment. Credible assignment results require support by relevant evidence and logic, to the degree necessary for the intended use. 112, 113, 114, Exposure time. Estimated length of time that the property interest being appraised would have been offered on 115 the market prior to the hypothetical consummation of a sale at market value on the effective date of the appraisal. 116 Comment. Exposure time is a retrospective opinion based on an analysis of past events assuming a 117 competitive and open market. 118 Extraordinary assumption. An assignment-specific assumption as of the effective date regarding uncertain 119 information used in an analysis which, if found to be false, could alter the appraiser's opinions or conclusions. Comment. Uncertain information might include physical, legal, or economic characteristics of the subject property, or conditions external to the property, such as market conditions or trends, or the integrity of data used in an analysis. 120,121,122,123 Feasibility Analysis. A study of the cost-benefit relationship of an economic endeavor. 124 Hypothetical Condition. A condition directly related to a specific assignment, which is contrary to what is known by the appraiser to exist on the effective date of the assignment results, but is used for the purpose of analysis. 125 Comment. Hypothetical conditions are contrary to known facts about physical, legal, or economic characteristics of the subject property, or about conditions external to the property, such as market conditions or trends, or about the integrity of data used in an analysis. 126,127,128 12.39 Prc Confidentiality section of the Ethics Rule. For example, pursuant to the passage of the Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act in November 1999. Some public agencies have adopted privacy regulations that affect appraisers. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, issued 2 rules. The first rule, 6 CFR 313, focuses on the protection of non-public personal information provided by consumers to those involved in financial activities found to be closely isted to banking or usual in connection with the transaction of banking. These activities include appraising real or personal property, see GLB privacy. The second rule, 16 CFR 314, requires appraisers to safeguard customer non-public personal information. See GLB Seligard's rule. Significant liability exists for appraisers should they fail to comply with these FTC rules. See Advisory Opinion 35. Reasonable exposure time in real and personal property opinions AF value 5 to 17.19 USPAP 2018-2019 edition Auth Appraisal Foundation.